Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a forward edge in neutral. First, locate your vehicle's gear shift lever. Before proceeding, always ensure the parking brake is fully engaged to prevent any unexpected movement. Next, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. This step is crucial for accessing the shift mechanism safely and correctly. Now, look closely around the base of your shift lever for a small plastic cover. This cover usually blends in with the console. Carefully use a small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to gently pry open this cover. Once removed, you will see the shift interlock release button or slot underneath. This is the key to manually shifting your vehicle. With the release mechanism exposed, press and hold it down firmly. While continuously holding the release, move your gear shift lever from park into the neutral position. You should feel it click into place. Double-check your dashboard display or the gear indicator on the console to confirm that the vehicle is indeed in neutral. You can then release the interlock button. After successfully placing your forward edge in neutral, carefully replace the plastic cover over the shift interlock mechanism, ensuring it snaps securely back into place. Remember to only release the parking brake when you are absolutely ready to move the vehicle or have it towed. And hey, while you're getting things sorted, life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.